now that it's getting to be fall, we need something to warm ourselves up with. How about a nice bourbon apple cider? First thing you want to do is you want to get approximately 2 ounces of apple cider into this thing here. And about 2 ounces of bourbon. And then you want about a half an ounce of simple syrup. And then you want the juice of a half a lemon. If it's a smaller lemon, go with the whole lemon. You want a half an ounce of lemon juice. So that's about a half a lemon. Then you want to take this, grab a spoon, and you want to stir everything around for a little bit. Just until everything's mixed together. About 15-20 seconds. Okay, then you want to just take an ice-filled glass and pour your drink in. And that's really it. This will keep the cold at bay. So that's a bourbon apple cider. Done.